Welcome back, John Southern Cooking Guys and Gals. Today we're going to be cooking chicken pot pie. Can't really call it homemade, but it's close to homemade. Let me get everything ready to go and show you what I'm going to do. Alright, y'all, get this started. I'm going to saute some, let's get some oil in here first. Probably a couple tablespoons or so olive oil. And then I'm going to put one chopped onion. One frozen bag of vegetables. Maybe I got 2 bags. I think 1 bag's plenty. My wife normally does the chicken pot pie, so bear with me, y'all. Got it on high right now to get it heated up. Let's see what else I want. Let's put some garlic powder in here. Garlic powder. We're going to say about a teaspoon. Of course, you can leave that out if you don't like it. I'm starting to hear a little sizzle. Oh, it's good. I got my oven right now preheating to 350. I got all my ingredients laid out, and I forgot the main one. I got some chicken in there chopped up yesterday. I used a bowl of 3 leg quarters and the drumstick, plus a little bit of meat for breast left over from that spatchcock chicken I've done for y'all. There you go. I need celery seeds. A few celery salt. I'll teaspoon that too. There's the salt. I'm not going to add no salt in it right now. I got some homemade chicken stock that I used from the bowl in the leg quarters yesterday. See how that turns out. Alright, I'm going to just bring that back whenever I get ready to finish this off. Let it go ahead and do its thing. Alright, let's add the rest of our ingredients now. See these onions getting translucent. That's about all you need. Turn the heat down. Cooking on medium high. Got it on medium. Now to this, I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of chicken broth or chicken stock. Maybe that ain't too much. I turn the heat. Also added about 1/3 cup of butter a while ago. I forgot it earlier. Now I'm going to add 2 cans of creamy chicken soup. I noticed y'all ain't get much of my shoulder today. I had to start doing it different. I noticed on my videos when I go back and watch them. I'm always blocking the camera getting in the way, so I took my tripod and set it over here on my little bitty counter I got. Wish I had a bigger house, but oh yeah, I forgot another ingredient here. Let's give it a little bit of black pepper. We're going to say half a teaspoon. Alright. I might be cooking too much, y'all. Might be cooking way too much. Might need a bigger pan. Alright, now I'm going to add my chicken. I don't know how much it is. I'll say that's a breast, 3 leg quarters, drumstick. That's going to finish it off. Y'all want me to drop y'all some chicken down there? No, you do. Alright, let me get all this mixed up real good. I'll bring y'all back. Alright, back again. I got everything mixed up. I got a casserole dish here. Didn't show y'all, but I got it sprayed down on the inside of cooking spray. I'm trying to do this without making a mess because this frying pan is about to run over. Like I said, I'm not going to do all this. It's way too much for me and my wife. What I will do is put the rest of it in the freezer because we eat this often. Maybe a little bit more juice. There you go. Maybe that's half of it. I don't know. It's close. I'll call it good enough, though. That's what I'm thinking now. Looks good, don't it? Got a mess and a half to clean up, y'all. It looks mighty bright on the screen, but maybe it ain't as bad as it's looking right now. Alright, next thing I gotta do is make the batter. I gotta relocate my camera, move my pan. I'll bring y'all back when I get set up. Alright, I'm gonna add 2 cups of this all-purpose bacon mix. Can y'all see it? There it is. Of course, it's Walmart brand. Great value. It's got a recipe on the back for pancakes. That's what I'm going to use. So, and it's got one for biscuits. I think the biscuit dough would be a little too stiff. I'm going in with a 1.5 cups of buttermilk. If I can see the cup mark. There we go. Oh, I got the picture there. Let's see how I'm going to mix this. Let's use this spatula here. Oh, yeah. 1 large egg. It also, for the pancake, it also calls for sugar. I'm just leaving the sugar out. Oh yeah. I mean, I can go all out, make my own dough and all that. I don't mind cooking. I just like it quick and easy. started to buy some pastry shells and do that and have crust on top and the bottom. Well, I saw this at Walmart. So I'm get this quick. Man, that stuff, they proud of that. I paid less than $2 for that box right there. And get it all mixed up real good. Try to get all these lumps out of it. Y'all still in the picture? Yeah, y'all still with it. If y'all like my channel, please like and subscribe. Send me some comments once in a while, y'all. I know I ain't no perfect cook. I mean, y'all can tell me what I'm doing wrong. First time, though. Maybe that's good enough. Do not know. I did not add no salt to my mixture. It was salty enough because that cream chicken's got a lot of salt in it anyway. And plus I put that celery salt. Dang, that's good. Alright, I'm fixing to swap them out here. Oh yeah, it's a little warm. Where you at? That looks pretty good right there. Do I need to turn it out the other way? There you go. Perfectly centered. I'm going to take this and just pour it over the top. May not even use all this. I'll just put the rest of it in the refrigerator and use it later. So I could have made half that. Okay. Smear it around just a little bit. It's going in the oven. Got it preheated 350. That looks pretty dang good. It's going to take 45 minutes to an hour for it to cook. I'll bring that back when it's done. Here it is, y'all. Gonna give me a bowl. Took about 45 minutes. Now for the taste test. Get your raised up a little bit. Get it centered up here. A bit more. How about that? First time, y'all. Maybe it'd be half as good as my wife's. I'll be alright. That's actually excellent. That's one ingredient I forgot to put in it, which don't really matter because I don't think I have enough room in my pot or pan, frying pan, skillet, whatever you call that thing I was cooking on earlier. It's potatoes, but it's got everything else. It's got green beans, sweet peas, corn, carrots, onions, and all. It's good. It's good. Be my first time. I don't want to rate it. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. Alright, y'all. That's it for tonight. Y'all like it? Y'all know what to do. See you next time.